In this Fish for Fun video, my nephew Dennis and I traveled to Lake of the Ozarks to do some crappie fishing. The weather was very windy, but we saved a spot for you along beside us in the boat. So come along with us and watch us struggle to catch those crappie in the high wind. Dennis had a crappie in the boat before I got my lure tied on.
I said, no, you should have got your ass out of the truck and went in there with me. She didn't like that at all.
We caught a few fish casting along the bank and then decided to go to the live scope.
Casting out that little one.
Had a pretty good breakfast, you know.
Yeah. I think he'll measure.
Something else. I'm gonna size way down.
16th ounce, ain't it?
16th, yeah.
That's what I'm doing. I said I put the 1/8 ounce on because of the wind.
I thought that smaller lure might make a difference. You want me to make those go away for you?
No, I can get you a better picture of them.
The wind kept coming up and boat control became more and more of a problem, so we decided to go back and cast and troll the bank for a little while. Little largemouth this time. That's the wrong species. We were having fun catching bass. we decided to move up the lake and try to find a place that was a little more out of the wind. But before we did that, Dennis wanted to try to catch a fish on a crankbait.
You can probably catch.
Dennis managed to find a spot that he liked, and it wasn't long till we started marking fish on the live scope again. Well, that didn't last long. Once again, we had to go out and try to find less wind.
He's not big, but I'm gonna brag on him anyway. This one I believe will keep.
While I was fighting that last fish, a water snake tried to get in our boat, but I was fighting the fish. Couldn't take a picture of him till he decided he couldn't make it and moved on. The wind kept getting worse, and the bite kept getting worse too. So we began taking up a subject that we don't like to talk about, and that is whether or not we should go home.
Have you used them? Yeah. That's where you catch them, trolling out in that deep water normally. Because when they're out there, they're kind of running around. Depth don't mean much to them.
Well, as bad as we hated to go, it seemed to be the thing to do. The wind kept getting worse and worse all day long, and the fish stopped biting, and we were kind of getting worn out from trying to control the boat while we were fishing. So it was time to begin wrapping everything up and putting our rods away and getting ready to go home. Well, the wind made it a rough day to be on the lake, to say the least, but we caught several fish and we enjoyed the day. We're used to fishing in conditions that are not ideal, and we're used to taking you along with us on those days, and we appreciate you coming along with us. And by the way, we wish you would subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell, and we'll find something to do again next week, and you'll be ready.